Okay, right now we're going to be multiplying binomials by monomials, okay? So here, all you want to do is like before. This 3z to the second is going to be multiplying by this 6xy. So it would be 3 times z squared times 6 times x times y. Okay, that's going to be 1 because this times this plus this times this. So I'm going to have 3 times z to the second times 4 times z. Now we can start doing just like we did in the last video. Okay, the 3 times the 6 is going to be 18. Check that off. Now we have a z squared, we have an x and a y. These are all different things, so we can just write them straight out. X, y, z to the second, because there's nothing else that's similar, okay? Now it's going to become this plus. Over here, we got 3 times 4, right? 3 times 4 is going to be 12. Then we do have two things that are similar. We have a z to the second and we have z, which is z to the 1. So there's 1 here, there's 2 there. So it's going to become z3. And this is going to be my final answer. We're doing the same thing we did earlier, but now in pieces, okay? This is for this very first one. Over here, it's going to be the same thing, 8b times 9ab. So I would rather you guys write it down. 8b is like 8 times b. Now times the 9, times the a, and times the b, okay? That's going to be one of them. Put the plus down. Now we have 8 times 8. Well, let's just write it out. 8 times b first, times 8 times a. Okay? And then we're going to do the same thing. 8 times 9, that makes 72. Now we have 2 b's here, b and b, because there's no powers, that means they're automatically 1. 1 and 1 is going to be b2. Okay, and the last thing left is just a. Okay, then we're just going to do plus. Now over here, 8 times 8 is going to be 64. Now b times a is just going to be ba. Now 72b to the second a plus 64ba. And we can't add these because there is no square there. So this would be our final answer. Okay?